As you have seen in the previous examples, names such as Hello World and course grade were used as names for classes or programs. Exam rate, exam score, NAP score, etc. were defined in the course grade program. In general, these are called identifiers. Last time, we talked about abstraction. In Java, or most high-level programming languages, one can associate values or attributes of certain types with an identifier. This is a very important concept because for human beings, it is a lot easier for us to remember names rather than a series of numbers, such as the ID of a person. Although each of us has been associated with different ID numbers. For example, your student or staff number, your Hong Kong ID number, and passport number. Many of you may not remember all these numbers, but I'm sure that you won't forget your own name or those of your friends and family members. One big advantage with high-level programming language is that one can use meaningful symbols to represent objects, as opposed to machine language where everything is represented as zeros and ones. The naming of identifiers must follow certain rules in Java. In Java, a valid identifier is a sequence of characters, consists of letters from A to Z, both lowercase and uppercase. The symbol, underscore, and the dollar sign can also be used. And digits from 0 to 9, except that digits cannot be used as the first character of an identifier. Identifiers are case-sensitive. For example, hello with capital letter H is different from hello with all lowercase letters. Who am I with all uppercase letters is different from other versions with a mix of lowercase and uppercase letters. Let's look at some examples. You have seen that exam rate and exam score have been used in the previous program, and they are valid identifiers. You also see the word int and double in orange. These are types of the identifier. Let's ignore them for now. You can also add underscores in between words. For example, exam underscore score and perfect underscore score underscore 100. But space cannot be included as part of an identifier. So perfect space score space 100 with space in between is not a valid identifier. If you want to separate two words in an identifier, the underscore should be used. Don't confuse the underscore with a hyphen. The hyphen cannot be used as an identifier as it would be interpreted as a minus sign. 2014Y is an invalid identifier because it starts with a digit. One last example of an invalid identifier is int. Int is a reserved word in Java used for declaring certain identifier as an integer. I'll come back